Morning viewers, Dodger Mohr, welcome. Well, today we leave Bangkok and we're heading to Pattaya or Pattaya. We're going to take a grab, roughly around about, I think it was about 60 Aussie dollars, 1,200 baht for two of us to get there. So yeah, let's hit the road.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long.
Laguna Beach Resort, number 2. Reception and entrance over there. So yeah, this is our accommodation for the next 3 nights, and we're all the way up to the top there on the 8th floor, and yeah, it's quite nice. Okay, we got an apartment at Laguna Beach Resort number 2, I think it's called, and yeah, it's roughly, what was it, 1,300 baht?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a little bit pricey, but it's actually quite nice. So yeah, I'll just show you around. So that's the entrance. We've got a washing machine, microwave, kitchen, fridge, TV, and a couch to sit down where Jen is. We've got a balcony out here. I'll go and have a look at that later on. Over here, bedroom, and through to the toilet and shower. So this is the view from our balcony. We're on the 8th floor, and yeah, doesn't look like the swimming pools are in action. I think they're doing a bit of maintenance on one of them, but yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, we're just going to get settled in. The guy's going to bring the bags up and get a pair of shorts on, and most likely go and grab something to eat because we haven't had breakfast yet. So opposite the resort that we're staying, we've got these little setups here for breakfast and lunch. Got food, drinks, plenty. Okay, let's go in and order. Very warm here today. Put the fan on, but yeah, we're going to have something to eat here. Some Coke, beer, chicken, rice. Lovely. Okay, so this is breakfast. Come and go.
Come and go.
What do you think? Hot?
Look good.
Look very good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just on the rooftop of the resort that we're at. Got some really great views from here. A little bit hazy. I think the sun's slowly setting. Yeah, but I'll show you what it looks like. Yeah, a fair bit of construction happening over there. Sort of reminds me a little bit of the Gold Coast in Australia, with all the high-rise buildings. Great views though, that's for sure. So here's some views from the back part of it, of the resort, heading out towards the mountains there in the distance. And just through there you can see the beach. Okay, this is dinner for tonight. Rice and fried fish.
Fried fish.
And lap moo. What do you think, Tin? Look nice? Look very good.
We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else, ain't no
There's a bit of a storm coming. The wind's really picked up. Started getting rain. But yeah, made it here just in time by the looks of it. Okay, good morning. We're heading off to Pattaya today,
Yep.
and or Pattaya, whatever way you want to call it. And yeah, we're going to do a bit of sightseeing today, but unfortunately it's raining today. So yeah, yesterday was a perfect day. We spent time at the pool. It was good. Okay, a bit of a lazy day today. Hang around the pool. So yeah, anyway, we'll see you in Pattaya. Or Pattaya. There's a whole heap of people walking, all going to work. It's a Monday morning. There's quite a lot of construction happening here. Most of them will probably be heading to construction sites. Okay, we've just spotted a market, so we're going to go and grab something to eat for breakfast. Skies have opened up. It's raining. Luckily we're at the market and we can sit down and keep dry. Nice cup of coffee first and then we'll move on.
Careful, really slippery.
You ready?
Yeah.
Sanctuary of Truth, absolutely amazing. Didn't really have the opportunity to take video in the actual temple itself or the sanctuary, but yeah, and construction is ongoing, so yeah, absolutely beautiful and absolutely amazing. Okay, it's lunchtime, or when I say lunchtime, early lunch. It's around about 11:30, and yeah, we're going to have some seafood for lunch today, and we're sitting in that little glass room there with the air conditioning because it's starting to get steamy hot. It was pretty cool this morning, or when I say cool, around the mid-20s, but now that the sun's come out, it is getting warm quick. Some Leo. It's warm, isn't it? Cheers.
Sorry.
Okay, here's our first dish. What's it called, Tin?
หอยนางรมทรงเครื่อง
Nice.
Nice.
Very nice. Dish number 2. Jomtien Pattaya. Jin's favourite. So what's this one called?
Squid. Steamed squid.
Steamed squid.
Yeah.
Nice.
Like tom yum. But
Very nice.
shrimp.
Okay.
Really nice things.
Yeah. Look beautiful,
Maybe
the food.
spicy though.
Yeah. That's okay. Pattaya City viewpoint. Quite a great view. So this is the main road in Jomtien, following the beach. They've changed a lot. The trees, I can't even remember the big trees. And this is the main beach in Jomtien. And the swimming area directly in front of us. Changed a lot since we were here last.